inquiring into climate change and how it impacts our planet. There will be natural disasters in Guangzhou. I want to know how to stop them from happening.
I chose this topic because I want to know how climate change is related to natural disasters.
I inquire into sports and mental health. I chose this topic because I want to help people to be healthy.
I inquired into bullying. I picked this topic because there are many people bullied in daily life. I want to help them to deal with bullies. I am inquiring into how the stereotypes influence our choices and action. I think reducing gender stereotypes are very important for our future. I hope people will understand gender stereotypes is very bad for our society.
Our topic is ocean pollution. We are inquired into this issue because we believe that the ocean's importance and existence is both beneficial and significant to us, the animals and plants on Earth. The ocean plays a unique role in the ecosystems, environment, and the weather on Earth.
One challenge was taking video. It was hard to find location, and handling prop was also difficult. Another challenge is we are making a display board. We overcame this by communicating with each other and dividing responsibility.
We all have different ideas, so we argue about what to do. We overcame this by discussing our idea and working to make a choice.
Writing paragraphs was challenging. I overcame this by using translation apps.
To me, the most challenging part was when I had to summarize many different information from lots of articles, websites, and documents into short, easy paragraphs. During this time, I felt like as if I did not have enough information. To overcome this, I highlighted key information under our guide and questions to ensure I had the right information before writing.
I had trouble doing research in English, so I also used the translation to help.
The hardest part was to find the information, so I read books about sports in Chinese. I could understand the information. I am thinker because I had to think about how to design the board and to research for my lines of inquiry. I also had to write up information from my research.
I thought I am also a thinking because during PYPX I had to think about I read the board and how to put my research into paragraphs.
I demonstrated that I being a good communicator by asking my teammates for their opinions before taking action. Second, I demonstrated caring by volunteering at a shelter to help take care of animals.
I showed that I am a thinker when I did my research and had to decide what information to use for the lines of inquiry.
I am a risk taker and thinker because we need to think of lots of information to interview adults that we don't know. And we had to work with teams that we did not cooperate before. So I think I'm a risk taker and thinker.
In our interview with the cafeteria staff, we found that the most wasted food is vegetables. So we decided to do compost to reduce food waste in our school. Also, from now on, I will be careful to not overfill my plate.
Our action was to make a compost bin with good food waste. We used liquid from the compost to help our vegetable seedling growth.
I want people to know more sport, and if you don't know how to do the sports, we can help in teaching you.
And we filmed an aerobic video to teach people how to exercise at home.
First, I will use reducible bottle for my drink. Second, I will use reducible bag for my carry shopping.
We are going to make a jellyfish sculpture made of plastic because we have to let people know that ocean animals are dying because of plastic.
I am proud to become a better presenter and I can communicate better with my customer.
I am proud of helping PY recycle more trash. I am also proud of using trash to make our jellyfish model. It is a piece of art.
I am happy that I did my best in my group and did everything they asked of me. We work well as a group.
I am most proud of our group's PPT because it has a lot of information about climate change. We have worked well as a team to make the PPT for our exhibition.
I am proud that we made a survey. It was about gender stereotypes in color and toy choice. It helped us to come up with a good taking action plan. I am proud to be a better researcher now.
Design the board in advance, it will get more and more messy.
First, you must speak loudly when you do your presentation because people will lose interest if they cannot hear you. Second, make your display board beautiful because they will attract people to your presentation.
It's important to ask your parents, your friends, and your mentors for ideas about your topic. You should always be a responsible part of your PYPX team because one person cannot do all of the work. Everyone should do their own parts.
First, you need to learn how to do research before you start PYPX. Second, pick a topic you know something about. Is it hard to find the keyword for your research if you do not know anything about it?
First, you will need to identify your keyword. They will help you to find good resources. They will also make your research go faster. Second, you should research your topic steadily. It is too much to do at all last minute. If you wait, the part of your project may be missing.